Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Daniel the Big O, and I'm out here with Outdoors with Dominic. Today is day 2 for the youth turkey hunt in the bluegrass state of Kentucky. We had one hammering this morning.
Yeah.
How many times did he gobble? Probably like 15, 20?
15, 20 times, yeah.
Look, he was hammering. Now, we had a hen. That hen just wouldn't stop. So we think that the hen made the gobbler follow her, and now we're chasing that gobbler. Let's go, Dominic. Let's go get it. So we came back down into this big old holler back here. Looks really, really good. There's definitely some water, a whole bunch of vegetation, acorns. There's a lot. Let's keep looking. I want to show you guys a quick tip. I don't know if you noticed, but right here you see all of those really dark leaves, and then there's light colored leaves. The dark colored leaves are when an animal or a human were walking around, they're kicking up that those leaves so you can see the condensation on the underside. The other area where it's light is where an animal or a human did not walk. Another quick update. This morning, that gobbler was hammering. We were sitting over there, and we think he was like sitting up here. When we went back to the holler over there, we figured out exactly where they were. It was just a little bit too far off, but he was so loud this morning. It was definitely, we thought he was a lot closer than what he was. Yeah. And I don't think that he would have went through that thick stuff. And if he did go through that thick stuff, he definitely was on a mission to get him some. This area looks really good, Dominic. How about we go ahead and set up right here in this little bitty field and see if we can call him in. Wow. Today was a great morning, Dominic.
Oh, yeah.
Look, we had that gobbler, he was hammering. We had hens that were just going to town. It was honestly one of Dominic's best mornings he's ever had. We didn't get him that gobbler. He didn't want to come in. That gobbler, honestly, he was henned up, and he didn't want to come play with, he didn't want to play with the boom boom today. With that being said, we're going to jump in the truck, go get some good breakfast, and come back out later this evening. All right, Dominic and I are back out here for the day 2 evening hunt. We're walking to the spot. Hopefully we can get that bird in. Get a hen to come in, get that gobbler. Got to get something. You excited?
Yeah.
Look, he's a little bit excited. It's youth weekend. Let's go, everybody. Good luck, all the other youth out there. Not sure if we spotted one. What do you think it is? Is it? You don't know?
No clue.
All right, he don't know what it is, so we'll just keep moving to the spot. Quick tip real quick, whenever you're taking youth hunting, make sure you take some time and show them little things like this. Now, Dominic, do you know what that is?
Looks like poop.
It looks like poop. That's right. Do you know what type of poop it is?
I don't.
So he doesn't know what type. That's actually, I think it's coyote poop. It has a lot of hairs in it and some meat and stuff like that. And that's what coyotes eat. So take some time, you know, even when the birds aren't gobbling, and, you know, you explain these things so they can pass this on to future generations. We moved a little bit closer to the roosting area. We're only about 50 yards from it. We were sitting up about 100 yards. We decided to come in a little bit closer. Hopefully we can get one in. Check it out. Well, I know the lighting doesn't say that it's past shooting light, but it's past shooting light. And no turkeys this year for the 2024 spring youth season. Dominic put his heart and soul out. We literally walked over 10 miles. Yeah, walked 10 miles and still no turkey. We've definitely put in our work though, and we had a lot of fun. Did you have fun, Dom?
Oh, yeah.
Like, he had fun, and sometimes it's not about the harvest, and it's about the experience. And I know Dominic and I had a lot of quality time over these last 2 days, cutting it up, telling jokes, doing some fun things out here, getting those briars stuck on everything, getting thorns stuck on our camouflage clothing. It's a whole bunch of stuff that, you know, really made this trip pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
All right, Dom, I think it's about time we wrap up this video. All right. Oh, wow. That was an excellent day. Like we said a second ago, it's just time we wrap up this video. Until next time, you guys know who this is. This is Daniel the Big O with Outdoors with Dominic. That's right, Outdoors with Dominic, and we'll have the Fluffy Poodle on the next episode. Y'all have an amazing day, and we'll see you guys when turkey season starts up officially.
Oh, yeah.
And we'll be back out in those woods. Y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye.